I hope there's nothing happening between Kaizer Chiefs and Mdu Bafetu, Mdu Shabalala. As we see, we just see on social media that he unfollowed the club. But for me personally, boy, hope there's nothing bad happening. Maybe some stories will come out in the future or what's really happening there. If there is something happening, it's very sad to see a young boy who maybe he might be reaching out in the social media space, which for me is not a good idea. As you know, Kaizer Chiefs is a big club, and people have opinions, and the people around you who are your agents, or maybe your parents or your coach. It's people who you can go to and sit down and talk about the matter. That's if there's a matter. I'm hoping there's no matter, because as Kaizer Chiefs fans, boy, you are the diamond of the club, and we really love you, and we want to see you growing at Kaizer Chiefs, doing better. It might have happened that pre-season maybe didn't get the game time you want, maybe. We don't know, but hopefully it gets resolved if there is something. If there's nothing, then hopefully we'll see you soon in the field. Mfundo is waiting for you there to combine there on the field. And yeah, waiting to see a good season from our Diamonds. This is season, Machita. You have to come there and score goals for the consignation. So hopefully that also passes and gets solved very soon.